In nature also we can see the pinhole cameras images. Are you understanding about what I am talking? That is nothing but in the noon time, the sunny day, in the noon time, if we are going under a tree, we can see the sun's image as a round, bright images on the land, on the ground. Here the leaves, number of leaves together, and in between the leaves gaps, the sun's light coming, and the number of leaves gaps act like a pinhole, and we will get the image of the sun on the ground as a round circle one, isn't it? But if you watch the leaves, the distance in between the leaves, otherwise the hole in between the leaves, it is not a round one, but we will get the sun's image as a round one on the grounds. On the ground. Why it is? Because the sun is as a round one. So the image of the sun also should be round. So like that you are getting the image. In the nature also we have the pinhole camera, and here the trees leaves, number of leaves joined together act like a pinhole. Okay. And next activity, activity 6 given in your textbook. See, a boy watching the candlelight through a hollow pipe. See, like this pipe, through this pipe. Here you can see me and I can see you through this, isn't it? How it is happening? Because it is a straight one, so we can see easily. If I bend this, somewhere if I bend this, can you see me? And I also can't see you. Why? Because this activity shows that light travels only in straight line. Light travels only as straight lines. It means the path of the light is a straight one. So if any opaque object coming in between the path of the light, we will get the shadow. If the light has the property to bend around the opaque object, we won't get the shadow of that. The light won't take any diversion. Okay. So light travels only in a straight line. So in the next one, the next topic is reflection. What is reflection? We are using the mirror, isn't it? Dressing mirror. Dressing mirror. We are doing the little makeups while we are going out, and we are checking our as a last glance. We are standing in front of the mirror and we are checking how we are looking like, isn't it? So what we are seeing on the mirror, see, this is a mirror. What we can see? We can see our reflection, isn't it? We can see our image. So that is called reflection. The mirror will show which objects light is falling on that. It will shows the image of that. The mirror will shows image of that object. And also one thing, here I am going to make the light to fall on the mirror. So let me see. You may play it in the noon times using your lunch box, which is made up of metals. So you may make the light falls, the sunlight falls on the lunch box and make a the shiny reflection, the light. Here also you can see this. See, I am making the light reflections. So it will fall somewhere. We can make the reflection of the light and we can change the direction of the reflected light. Okay, first I told the light is traveling in a straight line, but using a mirror we can change the direction, otherwise path of the reflected light. Okay, so like this, see the reflection, the patches of light we can make anywhere. See, it is falling on me, it is falling on, see, it is falling on the board. The reflection of light is falling on the board. Can you see? So like this we can the mirror make the reflection of the light falling on that, and also it can shows the images of the object which is falling on it. So that image we are saying as reflection 1. So always mirror make the reflection of the object, and the light from the object falling on the mirror, it will shows the reflection. See, it is the special characteristics of the mirror, because it is a shiny and a smooth surface it contains, so it can make the reflection. Okay students, so in your chapter as a last activity you have one more thing, that make the comb like this, keeping on a other cloth, otherwise any other paper as a screen, and keep the comb like this as shown in your textbook. You may use any artificial light source like this candle, otherwise torch light. Otherwise you may place this arrangement in front of the sunlight, then you will get the shadow, and you have to keep a mirror here also. So if you keep only the comb, we will get the shadows of the comb only in this way. See, the comb is here, the comb is here, and the paper we use is here. So when the source of light is here, then we will get the the image of the comb like this, isn't it? But when we use a mirror here, and make the shadow of the make the image of the comb falling on the mirror, then it will reflect it again. How will be the reflection? The reflection of the comb will be like this. So you will get a pattern, otherwise designs, a lot of patterns and designs by using number of mirrors and keeping in any direction. But the mirror should be facing the object. So like that, the property of the mirror, which is the reflection, we can make the patterns, number of patterns of the images of the objects which is falling on the mirror.